Hey, it's Gina from WTI. If you're an avid gardener like I am, then you know how important it is to have a really high quality landscape fabric. I'm here inside my little pop-up greenhouse to tell you how well this fabric from Hoople has been working for me. We live in a rainy area of the Pacific Northwest, and our grass and weeds grow like crazy from all the rain. I've used other landscape fabrics in the past that just fell apart so quickly and didn't do the job. So I needed something that was going to be thick and durable and withstand the amount of rain and really strong winds that we get where we live. I'm really impressed with how well this is holding up, but more importantly, how it's keeping the weeds from coming up. I also use this to line the bottom part of my raised beds so that I don't have any weeds coming up through there and disturbing all my vegetable plants. Although this is a thick fabric, it was really easy to cut and super simple to lay down with the garden spikes. I'm really happy with this landscape fabric. It's going to save me so much time when it comes to gardening and landscaping, and that's my point of view.